Guys, we're here in the wilderness. Bonnie's watching a bird. Watching the bird. Getting ready to pounce at the bird. Can't get too close. It'll fly away. We'll miss the action. But he's looking at the bird. Looking. Bird's dumb enough to not see him when he's about to charge. It might be a while. When he's looking at his bow. Bird's over there. Come on, Bunny. I'm gonna move closer to Bonnie. Whoa! There we go. Massive action. The bird's up way at the power point. Yeah, you gotta say good, Bonnie. No birds will be coming in our house with our little Pookie Smokey around. Yeah.